Okay everyone, welcome back again to another video on the Fox Tech YouTube channel. This time we talk about updating your WhatsApp application. Now, the very first option, which is the most important one, is making sure that you do it through the App Store. So just scroll down and find the App Store. If you cannot find it, go to the app library and literally open up the App Store like that. Go to the search page and look up the word WhatsApp. Literally type it in, WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, the app shows up and it either shows you the update button or the open button. So for me, as you can see, when the update button is present, it means that the update is really available. So all you have to do is just to tap on it, make sure that you update it to the latest version. And once the process goes through, once the app is downloaded and updated, then you will be rocking the latest version of WhatsApp, which is really useful, right? So when you come back, this is the way how it looks. The entire thing has to go through, but I'm gonna cancel it right now. Don't do that for you, obviously, because I want to show you something else. If you open up WhatsApp, you might also check out the settings page right here. And there are a couple of different things as well. In case you want to keep your WhatsApp updated, not in terms of the software and UI, but in terms of your chats, what you should do is to make sure that the backup is set and scheduled all the time, essentially. So just click on chats in here. So you are in the settings, click on chats, and you want to make sure that when you click on chat backup, that it is automatically backed up. For me, it's backed up on a monthly basis. It might happen to you that you have it turned off or on daily basis. It's up to you, but make sure that the backup is there. So if anything happens with your WhatsApp, if you delete the app or do whatever else, you want to make sure that the chats are still going to be there. This is how you also keep your WhatsApp updated. Now, to keep the entire iPhone updated, you should just head over to the settings and go to the general and software update. And just like you want to keep your specific apps updated, you want to keep your iPhone up to date as well. So these are the things you need to know about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Check out the Fox Tech educational platform. It's free, it's linked below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out until then.